Egotism, a Zen Story. The Prime Minister of the Tang Dynasty was a national hero for his success as both a statesman and a military leader. But despite his fame, power, and wealth, he considered himself a humble and devoted Buddhist. Often he visited his favorite Zen master to study under him, and they seemed to get along very well. The fact that he was a prime minister had no effect on their relationship, which seemed to be simply one of a revered master and a respectful student. One day, during his usual visit, the prime minister asked the master, "Your Reverence, what is egotism according to Buddhism?" The master's face turned red, and in a very condescending and insulting tone of voice, he shot back, "What kind of a stupid question is that?" This unexpected response so shocked the Prime Minister that he became sullen and angry. The Zen master then smiled and said, "This, Your Excellency, is egotism. Isn't it true for us also? We get easily aroused and ready to curse the person who is so dear to us on so silly things. Only if, at the time of anger, we stop ourselves to say something which we will definitely regret later on, our lives will be far more beautiful, and so is our near and dear ones. They will never be able to develop any harsh feelings towards us by our better words." That's it for today. If you wish to see more such amazing videos like this on daily basis, do not forget to subscribe and like, and also comment below if you liked or disliked the story. Also comment what is your perception or take during the fight with your beloved ones. Thank you so much.